Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Cash App Bitcoin profits to bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw your Cash App Bitcoin profits to your bank account, first, open the Cash App on your device. Ensure that you have completed the identity verification process. Tap on the Bitcoin icon located on the home screen of the app. Here, you will see your Bitcoin balance and recent transactions. To convert your Bitcoin to cash, tap on the Sell button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell or tap Sell All if you want to convert everything. Review the current exchange rate and confirm the amount. After that, tap Confirm, and your Bitcoin will be sold for cash. The sold cash will reflect in your Cash App balance. Next, tap on the Cash tab on the home screen. Then, tap on the Cash Out option. Select the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Choose your preferred transfer speed, standard or instant. Note that standard transfers are free and take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers come with a small fee but allow for immediate access to your funds. Once you've selected the preferred transfer speed, tap Cash Out. After that, choose the bank account where you want the funds transferred. If you have not linked a bank account, follow the prompts to add one. Confirm the transfer details before finalizing the transaction. Your Bitcoin profits will now be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your account for confirmation of the transfer. You have successfully withdrawn your Cash App Bitcoin profits to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.